I came the road, I gotta lock the camper door. Then I'll take the back way home, which is not that way, but over that way. Lock this up. Nobody stole my shit. Alright. A lot of strawberries over here. That's my log hauler. I had 2 over there. 2 right there. And then I got... trying to stay on this smash stuff because that's all strawberries. So there's 2 more. 4, 5, that's a good one. 16 footers. Another one there. What did I say? 2, 4, 5, 6. 7. 8, maybe. Maybe not. 9, 10. This one here probably 4x4 maybe. So I'll try to get out of it. Then I got another one on the bank. Down behind this, all this. And another one on that side. And then down in the woods, another one down there. So I got plenty of logs. My horse patched up. There's Molly out there.